So anybody would like to share any thought process so far, any ideas, any feedback, so that we can proceed further? Just 2 minutes if anybody would like to spend, or anybody would like to say anything. Any thought process, anything which is coming to your mind, anything which you would like to share about the workshop or yourself, anything, or your belief so far, whatever we have covered.
Can I share something, Pawan sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Over my last whatever years of being in academics, I have always experienced this, that suppose I pick up some thought to do something, which may not be, I'm not talking in such a larger context that you have contributed, but any small thing which is part of my work, but I'm trying out a very different way, which is not maybe in compliance to the system or conventions. But I have always realized that if you are too much, if you're passionately holding to that thought, and if you're convinced, then the resistance or the hurdles, actually it really doesn't matter, because you are so much into it continuously, back of mind, that how do I do it, and I want to do it, and you're convinced that nahi, ye to karna to hai hi, bhale na fail ho jaye, but I want to try it out. That makes it a very enjoyable journey, and
Yes.
I have not experienced it failing. And if it fails also, you don't mind, you pick up another thread and you start off, actually.
Yeah, very rightly said, ma'am.
But what I feel is, for all of us, that kind of mental process is very worth experiencing. It is very necessary for any work to execute. जैसे आपने तो अभी बहुत hurdles बता रहे, it is unimaginable. I don't know how you must have approached so many companies. बट स्मॉल थिंग्स ऑल्सो आई फील कि जैसे अभी आज का अभी हमारा सेशन ले लो, वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट टू रीच आउट, इंक्रीज दैट नंबर, बिकॉज वी आर सो कन्विंस्ड दैट दिस इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ हेल्प. So it is irrespective of what others think, what system says, we keep trying because we are convinced. I think that brings that positivity to the whole thing.
That's very true, ma'am, and you said very rightly that if you're convinced with your idea and you are passionate, then the hurdles is not an issue, ma'am. You can cross all those hurdles if you are passionate.
Very true. Very true.
And God gives you some chance to cross all those, gives power actually to cross all those hurdles. Somehow you get solutions, but the first thing is belief and your second thing is passion.
Very true.
So right company, right, team is also important, who surrounds you while working on any idea. So that is also very important.
Very true.
It got hanged again. It got just rolled. Again it got hanged. Just hold. I'll clear that. So it's now visible. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir. We're back to the PPT.
Okay, great. So what Shraddha ma'am, just told, I would like to. So this is, what she told right now. That's we would be going through a video. I'll just share with you right now. It's 1 minute video. What she told is what is exactly is there in this video. But now you understand the definition of entrepreneur. See, when you start your journey as an entrepreneur, you will fall somewhere, but make sure when you're falling down, you should, make this problem as an opportunity, make this problem as a plane and just fly. So it's like, it's a very real definition. Someone who jumps off a cliff, and builds a plane on the way down. before getting into the water, you have to make a plane. And that much faith, that much, courage, or, that much belief you should have in your idea. कि मैं पानी में नहीं गिरूंगा, मैं उससे पहले ही अपना प्लेन बना लूंगा. Whatever you want to do in your life, whether it's an entrepreneur or in professional life. So I'm sure that, when somebody starts company, because any company, when you start, it doesn't start giving money you immediately. It takes time. It will take you down first, and then it will take you up. So this is what, I'm trying to highlight in this particular image. This hope this is visible to you, right? The presentation is visible to you?
Pawan sir,
Yes,
if you don't mind, can I just add one more point? I hope I'm not disturbing your flow.
No. Just I want to recheck, ma'am, whether the presentation is visible, and then you can, ma'am.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please.
Actually, just one more thing, which I also feel key, to be passionate and to pursue one's whatever you have thought of, also requires to leave your comfort zone.
Yeah, rightly.
Just yesterday, I was talking to one of your alumni, Vikas.
Okay.
He is having his consultancy. So he was also sharing the same thing, ma'am. कि वो बोला मैम मेरा इतने लाख का पैकेज, इतनी बड़ी कंपनी, बस एक दिन हो गया और मैंने डिसाइड किया ये नहीं चाहिए मुझे कुछ भी. And I started from scratch all over again, but today I am able to employ people the way they had employed me. So I left my comfort zone. So वो मुझे फिर भी वही लगा कि एक ऐड करूं कि वो comfort zone छोड़ना बहुत important है.
Yes, very rightly said. Actually, yeah, when you want to become an entrepreneur, or if you would like to do something different, so you have to leave a comfort zone. That is very true, ma'am. Because, without leaving the comfort zone, you can't achieve whatever you want. So, so I would like to summarize now who is an entrepreneur. It's self-believer. That's what we have discussed. Unique ideas, motivated, optimistic, seldom are willing to submit to authority, enthusiastic, positive thinker, inspirer, sensible decision makers. So this is all about the traits of the entrepreneur. Okay, so now people ask me, like, what is self-believer? What does it mean? Right now we have heard in our last sessions also, means last slides we have seen, and then in the last session also we have understood we should be self-believer. But actually, what does it mean? Can anybody tell me what does it mean?
So believe in ourselves, actions, and ideas.
Correct. Anybody else?
Believing in your capabilities is the thing that you're gonna do it, and there's even though you're gonna fail at the moment, but you would not give up on the way.
Right. So means that whatever are the outcomes, you will keep on doing, keep on modifying, keep on, changing your strategies, but you will be firm to your idea, and you will believe whatever you are doing, and one day you will get the success. That's all about the concepts. Like, we'll define this in a more scientific way. So what is like self-believing is that the first and fundamental thing is that choose your goal carefully. It needs lot of market research. Whatever is your idea, do 1,000 time research, do whatever means you want. But once you choose the goal, right, then don't take step back. Right. So choosing goal, whatever you want to do, just do the research. Go on internet, talk to people, do whatever you want. But just before choosing goal, do your homework properly. Why are you choosing this goal? What would be the outcomes? What could be the benefits? or losses that I could incur while on the way to this achieving this goal. So just goal is very important. Goal means whatever you would like to become or whatever you would like to do through this company. Why should I go to start suppose somebody has started a Byju's. Why they have started Byju's? So why they have chose this goal? There could be several reasons. They did some market study, market research. What is a gap? What is a problem? So anyhow, that time nobody was there as an online player for education system for students, for the school students I'm talking about. So anyhow, they chose this goal very carefully. Think 100 times, right? Once you've chosen, no regrets. Means this is the time. Once you finalized your goal, you took maybe 3 months to finalize a goal. Once you have finalized, then somebody comes and says, "Nahi, nahi, yaar, ye wala acha nahi hai." You go for that. So that should not happen. Once you have locked your goal, it means you have locked. You can change the strategies to achieve the goal. You can change the modes, right? You can redesign your strategy, but you can't change your goal. Today this is education company, tomorrow it's IT company, day after tomorrow it's a food making company. No, it should not happen like that. It means you have not done your work properly. And whatever skills required to run this, to achieve that goal, to execute this process to achieve the goal. So you should keep on acquiring all the skills whatever required to achieve the goal. This is very important. See, most of the time what people do, they choose different goals. They don't have clarity on the goal. So goal is a final destination where you would like to go. Final destination means suppose you want to start a IT company with a turnover of 10 crore down the line 2 years. So this is your goal. Now you can't change the goal once you've finalized it. Now start planning on that. What should I do? What should I do to achieve all those things? And once you planned, you start acting. Never keep things in a planning mode only. Suppose the first 4 steps, choose goal, think 100 times, no regrets, up to plan. It might take 60% time. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe action might be taking only 40% time of your total plan. It's okay. Because your plan should be firm. Then once your plan is firm, keep on acting. Don't remain in the thinking mode only. And once you start acting, never quit. Have a patience, acquire skills, be go-getter, and then you would be able to achieve the goal. So this is what is self-belief. If I would like to define this in a scientific language, so these are the steps involved in self-belief. Now at every step, whatever steps I have defined here, at every step you are believing yourself while choosing the goal, while thinking, and you are not having any regrets. You start planning on that and slowly you will start acting on that. And once you've acted, you have invested some money, some time, then you should have an attitude not to quit. Keep on moving, have a patience. If you have some lacking in these skills, acquire these skills, be go-getter, never look back. Then at particular junctions, at particular times, you can change your strategies. That is different thing. Changing a strategy depending on the market situation scenario is different, but the goal should remain same. Hope you agreed, guys.
Yes, sir.
So please, this is the process. If you believe in yourself, follow these steps. I'll share any of this presentation to ma'am. You can take these slides, no issues, but keep this thing in mind. Nobody will tell you in any workshop what is self-belief means. Trust me. This is my research work. What I understood from my executions, what does mean by self-belief? Trust me, you will not get these steps anywhere. Trust me. You'll get these words in a haphazard way, but not in an organized way. The trait 2. So first trait was self-belief. The trait 2 is very important, thinking out of the box. What does it mean? Can anybody tell me? हमने बहुत बार सुना है कि thinking out of the box, thinking out of the box. What does it mean?
Searching for creative ideas, creative solutions.
Correct. Very right. Very right. Creative solutions. I'll simplify it further. Don't worry. I'll simplify it further for you guys. But you are right actually. Anybody else?
Coming up with the new strategies, new innovations to solve problems.
Right. When I was going through IIM program, the executive program on digital marketing. So a lot of students were saying, like me, who have experience of 15, 16 years in corporate. So they were using all technical terms. So professor just shouted. Okay, so they were using all technical terms. So professor just shouted. Okay, I just want a simple answer. The question was different, but thinking out of the box means is in a very simplistic way. I would like to tell you is a box is a conventional book with a set of rules. So we need to break conventional rules. Searching simplified. So I have highlighted simplified. Searching simplified solution for most complicated problem. See, there could be n number of solutions for any problem. I am not saying, but what